This one is a 1956 Smith Corona clipper. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, you just move these back here with your finger. I like them at the beginning and the end of the page, just like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double or triple, you just flip this switch back. This is double, skips 2. This is triple, skips 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish the keys on the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To type with red, you just flip this switch down. It's got a color code here: blue, white, and red. Very nice typing machine. The print's really nice. This is a really nice machine to type on daily. I would probably use this if I was a daily typer. Just really smooth and easy to use. Very clean machine. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip that forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath, allowing you to pull the paper out easy, or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Flip this back up. So what this does is it just controls the vibrator that holds the ribbon on how high it goes up. So when you flip it to red, it just goes up higher, so you hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. It's got a backspace on the left side here. That works good. It's got a margin release on the other side, so once you hear the bell and you're at the end of the margin, you get to a certain point, it won't allow you to type anymore. But if you need to finish a word, you just hit that margin release and it will allow you to type past that margin. It's got this lever here is the ribbon direction control, so if you open the hood, right now all the brand new ribbon is filled up on the left side, so it's pulling to the right side, and if you see it, it starts moving clockwise. But if you want it to pull to the other side, you just flip this switch up and it'll pull counterclockwise to this side. And we're going to switch it down and keep it pulling to that side. Here we have the touch control from low to high. What that does is it loads a spring that makes the tension harder when you go higher. You just got to hit the keys harder, but they respond faster. Low, you don't have to hit them as hard, but it responds slower. Got a carriage release on each side here. Allows you to control the carriage freely. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.